back to my channel Dipsam Studio. So I'm going to share this very simple, easy, basic makeup tutorial or a teenager or college goer makeup tutorial in this video. So without any further delay, let's get started. So you want to create a basic makeup kit, and you want to have products which actually really you use it on everyday basis, not occasional uses. So everyone are aware of using kajal and lipstick, but how do you want your base makeup to look? How do you want your base makeup to stay the whole day, and without any patches, without any kind of sliding and all the stuff? So the basic essentials you need for your makeup kit is a moisturizer. A moisturizer is a very important and a key product in your basic makeup, because hydrating your skin is very important for the whole day. I don't know how long we spend outside, but still we need to hydrate our skin. So moisturizer does play a very important and key role in your basic makeup. So coming up to the next, you need a foundation for your exact skin tone. That's very important. You use a foundation for heavy coverage or light coverage, it doesn't matter what, but you need a foundation for even your everyday look. So choose a right foundation according to your skin tone and your skin type. If you are on the oily side, try out mattifying in foundations. If you're on the dry side, try out illuminating kind of foundation. So I am using a Lakme 925 Primer Matte, a Perfect Car foundation in the shade Cool Cocoa. So then moisturizer is completely up to your wish. You can use any of it. I am using Nivea Soft, my all-time favorite. This is the limited edition, I think, Berry Blossom. The normal Nivea Soft will do. And I'm going to use a very important another product, which is a sunblock, which every one of us need, particularly youngsters who spend a lot of time outside, and surely this is a must in your basic makeup kit. So I'm using Neutrogena Ultra Sheet Dry Touch Sunblock in the SPF 50 plus. So try to use for a sunblock more than 30 plus. That is only actually can block real UV rays and protect your skin from the ultraviolet radiations. So then I need a very important product of all is a compact powder, which can actually seal in all your makeup. So this is a very important product. So I'm using Lakme 925 Flawless Matte Complexion Compact in the shade Apricot. So this is how it looks like. And then I'm gonna use a nice eyebrow to define my eyebrows. So eyebrows actually play a very important role. It defines a whole dimension of your face, so it is very important to fill your brows. So I'm using the Blue Wind Artist Brow Styler in the shade brown, and this comes with the styler, and this is how the product is. So it is a very compact and easily used product. So next is my all-time favorite NYB Kajal. You can use it as a smudge kajal only on your outer line, so on as your eyeliner, anything, just one kajal. And then lipsticks as you wish. Choose lipsticks according to your skin tone and according to the outfit you're wearing. So anything will do, as it is completely of your interest. And then that's it. I think I'm done. So we are not going to use any eyeshadows, we are not going to use any highlighters, nothing at all. So it is just going to be a very simple and basic makeup. So that's it. Let's jump into this tutorial and see what products I used, how I created this simple, elegant, everyday makeup look for beginners. So I'm going to take up a little bit of Nivea Soft moisturizer, and I'm going to take a little bit of this foundation, and then I'm going to add a little bit of this sunscreen on my hand, and I'm just mixing it up. Look at this. A BB cream is ready, and you don't need to buy anything. So that's it. Ready. So let's start blending this out. I'm going to take this up in a brush and pick it up, and just gonna dab it on my skin. Look at this. You won't even feel that I have something on my skin except for that shine. So that's it. Use that is going to be either a cream, lip and cream, lip and cheek cream, or maybe a lipstick, whatever you're using. Just dab it on your cheek or cheekbone and just blend it out for the natural flush and which you need for that everyday look. So next, moving on to the powder product, we're going to use this Lakme 95 compact powder. I'm in the shade Apricot Matte. This is an extraordinary compact powder. I have spoke this million times in my videos, but I love this product. It just settles so well on my skin. So we finished up with the base makeup, so we're moving on with the brows. I'm going to fill my brows to give a good definition for my face. The Blue Heaven Artist Brow Pencil with stylet. Using this kajal completely is up to your comfort and creativity. So if you're going to slay a nice western outfit, then you're going to apply it on the lids and on the inner waterline and smudge it out. And if you're going to wear some nice kurti or salwar kameez, then you can just apply it on your waterline and then give a nice lash of splash of mascara to your lashes. Then you're good to go. So I've just applied kajal onto my waterline, and I have just smushed it out a bit so that it looks really widened and gives a nice elevation to your eyes. So it makes your eye look a little bigger. I really love the smudged, kajal look. It's actually turned out too well. If you want, you can really go in for a light just a lip balm, and you're good to go out. So you're set all with the compact and sunscreen and just super base makeup, and your eyebrows are done perfectly, and your eyes are like super stunning. So this is how this can go with any kind of outfit. It can be just a kurti, or it can be a nice t-shirt and a jean, or any formal wear, and you can rock this with any kind of look, any kind of outfit. So this is how I want it to be. You can use a nude lipstick, you can use a nice red lipstick, or whatever you want it, how you gonna like it. So I finished the look with the two lipsticks. I used Creamy Matte from Maybelline. So this is Burgundy Blush, and this is New Nuance. So I've used two lipsticks to just keep this double shaded look. So it's completely up to you to use what kind of color you would love to wear. So I think this is done, and yeah. Until next time, Azir signing off. Bye bye.